Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the #1 secret to make anyone fall in love with you. We're talking about real-deal, scientifically backed psychology hacks that can actually make a difference in your love life. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. Before we jump into how to make someone fall in love with you, let's take a quick trip down science lane. Understanding the science behind attraction can give us valuable insights into why we feel the way we do when we meet someone special. It's not just about looks or charm. There's a whole world of biology and chemistry at play. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about chemistry and those little butterflies you get when you meet someone special. When you feel that spark, it's your body's way of telling you that something magical is happening. This feeling is a complex interplay of various factors, including physical appearance, body language, and even scent. Scientists have found that attraction is all about hormones and brain chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. These chemicals play a crucial role in how we feel and behave when we're attracted to someone. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good hormone, is released when we experience pleasure, making us feel happy and excited. Dopamine makes us feel happy and excited, while oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, makes us feel connected and bonded. Oxytocin is released during physical touch, like hugging or holding hands, and it helps to strengthen the emotional bond between people. This is why we often feel closer to someone after sharing a warm embrace or a loving touch. By understanding how attraction works, we can use it to our advantage to create lasting connections. Knowing the role of these chemicals can help us foster deeper relationships and enhance our interactions with others. Whether it's through meaningful conversations, shared experiences, or simple gestures of affection, we can build stronger bonds with those we care about. Ready to learn how to be a love guru? Let's move on to our first secret. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex world of attraction and relationships. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to making someone fall head over heels for you. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and they're right. When you look into someone's eyes, you can often see their emotions, their thoughts, and even their intentions. It's a powerful form of nonverbal communication that transcends words. Eye contact is like the superglue of attraction. It can create an instant connection, making you feel closer to someone in just a few seconds. This simple act can convey confidence, sincerity, and interest. It's the first point of connection, the silent language that speaks volumes. When words fail, a look can say it all. Whether it's a glance across a crowded room or a deep gaze during a conversation, eye contact can communicate feelings that words sometimes can't. Eye contact shows that you're interested, engaged, and actually listening. It demonstrates that you value the other person's presence and what they have to say. This can be especially important in building trust and rapport. It creates a sense of intimacy and connection, even if you've just met. That initial moment of locking eyes can spark a feeling of familiarity and warmth, making interactions more meaningful and memorable. Hold their gaze for a few seconds longer than usual and smile with your eyes. This small gesture can make a big difference, showing that you're open, friendly, and approachable. It's a subtle yet powerful way to enhance your interactions. A genuine smile, coupled with warm eye contact, can be absolutely irresistible. It can make you appear more attractive and trustworthy, drawing people towards you. This combination can break down barriers and create a positive, lasting impression. Remember the power of eye contact. It's free, easy, and can work wonders. Whether you're meeting someone new or deepening an existing relationship, never underestimate the impact of a sincere look. It's a simple yet profound way to connect with others on a deeper level. You've mastered eye contact. Now it's time to put those ears to work. Active listening is a game changer. It's showing that you're present, that you care about what they have to say. Active listening isn't just about being quiet. It's about engaging with the other person. Ask questions, nod your head, make eye contact, and show that you're really trying to understand their perspective. People love to talk about themselves, so mastering active listening shows you're interested in their thoughts and feelings. It's a gift that makes them feel truly seen and heard. Chapter 4. Mirroring Body Language. Mirroring is like the secret handshake of connection. When we like someone, we naturally start to mimic their body language. It's a subconscious way of building rapport and creating a sense of harmony. Subtlety is key here. You don't want to be a creepy copycat. Just be aware of their body language and subtly reflect it back to them. Think of it like a dance, matching each other's steps, creating a flow and rhythm to your interaction. Mirroring is a powerful way to build rapport and create a sense of connection. Chapter 5. Shared Experiences. Shared experiences create unforgettable moments that bond two people together. Whether it's trying a new restaurant, going on an adventure, or laughing at the same joke, these moments create a shared history. Choose experiences that are meaningful and memorable. The more senses you engage, the more memorable the experience will be. Shared experiences are the building blocks of a relationship, creating memories and strengthening your bond. Chapter 6. Positive Reinforcement. Positive reinforcement in relationships is all about making the other person feel good. Recognize and appreciate the things you love about them. Everyone craves appreciation, so don't be afraid to dish it out. Little gestures go a long way too. Surprise them with their favorite coffee or leave a sweet note. Positive reinforcement is like watering a plant. The more you nourish it with love, the stronger it will grow. Spread some sunshine and watch your relationship blossom. We're talking about vulnerability. Vulnerability is not weakness, it's strength. It's the key to building deep, meaningful connections. When someone trusts you enough to share their fears and dreams, it creates a bond that's unbreakable. Vulnerability is a two-way street. It's about being open and honest with yourself and the other person. Gradually, let someone in, peeling back the layers and revealing the real you. Vulnerability is like a bridge that connects two hearts. On the other side of fear lies the potential for a love that's real, raw, and unbreakable. Let's talk about the importance of physical touch. Physical touch is a fundamental human need. It releases oxytocin, the cuddle hormone. A warm embrace can make you feel safe, loved, and comforted. Small gestures like a touch on the arm or holding hands can convey warmth and affection. Pay attention to their body language and respect boundaries. Physical touch is a powerful way to communicate love and connection. Let's talk about compliments, those little nuggets of affirmation that can brighten someone's day. Compliments aren't just about flattery. They're about acknowledging what you genuinely admire about someone. Your words have the power to uplift, inspire, and make someone feel valued. Be generous with your compliments and mean them from the heart. A genuine compliment is a gift that can have a big impact. Spread some joy and make someone's day. We've covered a lot today, from the science of attraction to the power of vulnerability. We've delved into the nuances of human connection, exploring how our interactions shape our relationships and how being open and honest can create deeper bonds. Now, it's time to reveal the number one secret to making anyone fall in love with you: be yourself. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Authenticity is magnetic. When you are true to who you are, you attract people who appreciate you for you. The most attractive version of you is the authentic you. People are drawn to genuine emotions and real personalities. When you laugh, laugh wholeheartedly. When you love, love deeply. It's these genuine moments that create lasting impressions. Embrace your quirks and flaws because that's what makes you special. Everyone has their own unique set of characteristics that make them who they are. These are not imperfections, but rather the traits that set you apart from everyone else. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it shines through and makes you undeniably attractive. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being comfortable with who you are. This comfort radiates and draws people towards you. Think about the people you're drawn to. They're not perfect, but they're themselves. They have an aura of authenticity that makes them irresistible. They don't try to be someone they're not, and that's what makes them so appealing. Be the best version of yourself and watch as love finds you in all the right ways. When you live authentically, you create a space for genuine connections to flourish. Love will come to you naturally, without force or pretense, and it will be the kind of love that lasts. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, love is a journey, and with these tips, you're well on your way to making meaningful connections. So go out there, spread some love, and remember you are amazing just the way you are. See you next time.